Come on in. Make yourself at home. You think this place is nice? Just wait until I take you to one of my penthouses then. This is nothing, darling. All right. Just wait. Take off your shoes before you go in. I'm kind of a clean freak. Okay. Yeah, you can put them over there. Come, sit with me. Hold on. Where's the remote? Oh, there it is. I'll turn on some music. Do you mind? Okay, let's see. There we go. Perfect. No? I feel so full after that dinner. Don't you? Oh, come on. The portions really weren't that small. You're exaggerating it. Well, that's a fancy restaurant for you. You will have to get used to it. You understand that, right? Or, I mean, it's always possible to just have my chef make something for us. Oh, okay. Is that you offering to make dinner for me? I mean, as long as you can prepare a good steak, I'm definitely not saying no. Okay, fine. You can treat me to it next time then. But, just so you know, my taste buds have quite high standards. So, beware of that. Because you will get punished if it's no good. Don't take it so seriously. I'm just kidding, silly. You are so tense. I cannot with you. Loosen up a little. You know that you can be yourself here, right? I mean, there's nobody else here. Just me and you. You're adorable. You know that? Yeah, and what about it? Can't I? I like staring at you. And, well, if you really don't want me staring, then you'll have to stop being so handsome. That's the only way I'll stop. I can't resist it. Look at you. Was that really all it took to make you blush? You really are adorable, especially when you're like this. Oh, don't start it. You're not gonna get me flustered. Don't even try. What do you mean? Hey! No! Stop! No! Don't tickle me! Oh my god, you little... Stop! No, seriously. Jeez. I'm gonna get you for this. I swear. No, but really, why would you do that? Okay, okay. Fair game then. I guess both of our cheeks are flushed now. I... You know what? I honestly really do think that I'm falling in love with you. I truly meant every single thing that I said back at the restaurant. You are special to me. You really are. I don't even know how to explain it, but being with you, it's just a relief. You remind me that I am still human. You know, actually, well, maybe this is a weird correlation, but you kind of remind me of my father. You see, when I was a little girl, he would always make time to play with me, to talk with me, even when he was extremely busy. He would always treat me like a princess. I mean, okay, he still does, but that's besides the point. I always feel safe next to him. I always feel like I can just relax and be myself. Just be this carefree little girl. And up until now, I never felt that way about anybody else in my life. Nobody. But you changed that. You just really bring me back down to earth in the best possible way. So, yeah, I just wanted you to know. And I also just want to thank you because I really, really appreciate you. I mean, I am beyond glad that I chatted you up that night. It's probably the best decision that I've made in ages. I know that we haven't been seeing each other for a very long time yet, but it already kind of feels like I've known you forever. You flipped my world so much that at this point, I don't think I can even imagine a life without you anymore. Seriously. Do you really mean that? I mean, you better do. I don't take words like that lightly. You know that. You're too sweet. Really. You know, for the first time ever, I think I might be speechless. I swear, you are the only person who can make me like this. The only person that I am this weak for. Can you imagine what my subordinates would think of me if they saw me acting like this? I just thought of it. All flustered and shy. Oh my. Let's just keep this a secret, okay? They would never be able to look me in the eyes the same again. I swear. What? Is that a threat? You should be more careful, mister. You didn't forget who you're dealing with now, did you? You know, actually, I do have a little something that I can threaten you back with. I I want you to stay here, I mean. No, no, silly. Not just the night. What I meant is, I want you to stay here forever. I want you to move in with me. In other words, I'd like for us to live together. No, I'm not. I'm serious. What? You don't like the idea of being my house boyfriend? Well, that can also be arranged in the future. But that is your responsibility. You know, I can be tough, but in the end, I'm still a lady. It's up to you when or if you propose. Don't even mention stuff like this to me, okay? Unless you are actually about to do it. Okay, but there is one more thing. If you do move in with me, then I would like you to meet my family. My dad, especially. You know, I've been actually talking to him about you already. I honestly cannot really shut up about you. So he is pretty excited to see you. Are you? There's no reason to be afraid though. I can promise you that. Okay, but he is not scary. Not at all. Trust me. Though, I mean, he can be a little intense sometimes. But yeah, you'll see. No, you cannot say no. I don't care how stressed you are. You'll have to meet them sooner or later. And, well, I prefer sooner. So, if you do move in with me, I'll arrange something for next week. How does that sound? I didn't get a proper response yet. Are you staying or no? Well, not necessarily, but yes, you could stay from tonight. Really, that is what's worrying you. You do not need your stuff here, darling. Trust me. I have everything we might need. And tomorrow, I can send out my assistant to go grab some new clothing for you early in the morning. It will be fine. Come on. I want you to live here. I want you close. As I said before, I cannot even imagine a life without you anymore. So, you cannot say no, darling. Stay with me, now and always. Please.